How to download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. So if you want to download your YouTube videos in laptop or PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for YouTube, go with www.youtube.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you can just simply go with any video that you're comfortable with. Like for example, if I go with this one, you need to click on open that video. Now, after opening the video, if you want to download this video, then you can just simply go with download, which is right here on the bottom. Click on download and you can select the download quality. If you have the premium version, you can go with full HD or high. But in the case, if you don't have your premium, you can go with the standard quality. After that, go with download and it will start the downloading process. You can go with view, which is here on the bottom left. And as you can see that it has started the downloading, and once it reaches 100%, it will be downloaded. That's how you can download your YouTube videos in laptop and PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.